In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset StrawPage. Now, there's two ways to do this. The first one is if you actually don't care and you want to create a new site, you can reset that way, and it's the easiest way to do so. So in case you are inside your site, your editor, and you want to reset, you can simply leave this page be, click on the arrow back top left, and then just create a new site from here. You can remove those three blocks over here, and then as you can see, you'll be ready with a restarted fresh site. However, if you want to restart a site which you have already made, so for example this one, if I go to the edit tab and you're editing it right now, the easiest way is going to be to essentially either click on every single block and click delete, or you could also go to the bottom right here where you can see those three lines. You can click on this page's elements, and then from here click on every single one and then click on delete. Okay, that's an option as well, but of course you could also go and then delete your pages. So if you have multiple, you could just go ahead and delete those pages by clicking those trash can icons, and that's how you can essentially kind of reset. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.